Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have a great Thanksgiving themed tech tip for you guys. So, if you're going to be doing some cooking, there's probably going to be a lot of different things going on with different schedules, different amounts of times in the oven. So, I wanted everyone to be able to know that using your iPhone, you can say, "Hey Siri," and have Siri set a timer for, say, 20 minutes for the turkey. And then you can also say, "Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes for the mashed potatoes." And Siri will label the different timers you have going. And then if you want to know how much time you have left, you can simply just say, "Hey Siri, how much time do I have left on my timer for the turkey or the mashed potatoes?" Siri will know to look at the right one. I hope this tech tip is super helpful for your cooking needs over Thanksgiving, and I hope everyone has a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. As always, for more information, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving.